German SUVs have always been a double-edged sword. On one hand, they offer some of the best driving experiences, interiors, and engineering in the SUV world, while on the other, they're often blamed for expensive repairs and fast depreciation. But here's the reality most buyers don't hear. The problem isn't German SUVs, it's buying the wrong ones at the wrong time. In 2026, the used market finally makes sense for certain German SUVs that have already absorbed the worst depreciation, proven their reliability, and still feel modern to drive and own. This is where smart buyers win. Today, we're breaking down 5 used German SUVs that actually make financial and practical sense in 2026. Vehicles that balance performance, comfort, long-term ownership costs, and real-world usability. And if you're thinking about a German SUV and don't want regret sitting in your driveway a year later, this list matters. The first one is Audi Q5 2018 to 2021. The Audi Q5 is one of the most balanced German SUVs you can buy used in 2026, and that balance is exactly why it earns a place on this list. It doesn't chase extreme sportiness or flashy design trends, but instead quietly gets almost everything right for real-world ownership. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers smooth, predictable power, not aggressive, not lazy, just strong enough for effortless highway merging, daily commuting, and long road trips without stress. Pair that with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, and you get confident traction in rain, snow, or uneven roads, which is exactly what most SUV buyers actually need. Step in, and the Q5 still feels premium years later. Solid materials, excellent seat comfort, clean design, and a cabin that ages far better than many rivals from the same era. This generation also marks a turning point for Audi reliability, avoiding many of the electrical and drivetrain issues that hurt older models, while maintenance costs remain reasonable for a luxury SUV if properly serviced. Depreciation has already done most of its damage by 2026, meaning buyers get genuine Audi quality without paying luxury car money. Put it all together, and the Q5 stands out as a low-drama, stress-free ownership choice, perfect for buyers who want refined German engineering, everyday comfort, and long-term peace of mind, without constant repair shop visits or shocking repair bills.
Number 2 is BMW X3 2018 to 2020. The BMW X3 is the SUV for people who still care about driving, even if life has pushed them out of a sedan and into something more practical. Unlike many crossovers that feel numb, soft, and disconnected, the X3 holds on to BMW's core DNA, sharp steering, balanced handling, and engines that feel eager instead of lazy. The turbocharged 4-cylinder models strike an excellent balance between performance and efficiency, delivering quick acceleration for city driving and relaxed power on the highway without constantly drinking fuel. More importantly, the chassis tuning makes everyday driving feel engaging rather than forgettable, which is something most SUVs simply don't offer. Step inside, and the X3's cabin feels clean, modern, and driver-focused, with intuitive controls, supportive seating, and technology that still feels current and usable in 2026. BMW's infotainment system from this era remains one of the easiest to live with, avoiding the lag and overcomplication found in some rivals. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed either. Rear seat space is comfortable for adults, cargo capacity is competitive, and visibility is excellent for daily use. Now, let's talk ownership. BMW maintenance is not cheap like a mainstream brand, but this generation of the X3 has proven far more reliable than older BMW SUVs, especially when properly serviced and not abused. Most major depreciation has already hit by 2026, meaning buyers can access real BMW performance and engineering at a far more rational price point. Buy it used, maintain it correctly, and don't skip service, and the X3 rewards you with one of the best driving experiences in the compact luxury SUV segment without giving up comfort, practicality, or everyday usability.
Third one is Mercedes-Benz GLC, 2019 to 2021. If comfort, refinement, and interior quality sit at the top of your priority list, the Mercedes-Benz GLC immediately separates itself. This SUV doesn't try to impress you by being aggressive or sporty. Instead, it focuses on doing luxury the traditional Mercedes way: smooth, quiet, and effortlessly refined. From the moment you start driving, the GLC delivers a calm, composed experience that feels expensive every single time you're behind the wheel. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up rough roads without feeling floaty or disconnected, which makes it an excellent choice for long commutes, highway cruising, and everyday city driving. Inside, the GLC's cabin still looks and feels genuinely premium in 2026, especially when equipped with Mercedes' advanced infotainment, digital displays, and driver assistance features. Materials feel solid, design details age gracefully, and the overall atmosphere leans more toward luxury lounge than sporty cockpit. Seating comfort is a strong point here, with excellent support for long drives and a quiet cabin that reduces fatigue over time. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. Rear seats are comfortable for adults, cargo space is usable for daily needs, and visibility is good for an SUV in this class. Now, ownership reality. Yes, repair costs can be higher than average if something goes wrong, especially compared to non-luxury brands. But this generation of the GLC has shown solid reliability when properly maintained, and depreciation has already taken the biggest hit by 2026. That means buyers get real Mercedes luxury without paying new car prices. For anyone who values comfort, elegance, and stress-free daily driving over aggressive performance, the used GLC stands out as one of the safest and most satisfying German SUV choices on the market.
On number 4, we have the Porsche Macan, 2017 to 2019. This is the SUV for people who refuse to give up driving enjoyment, even a little. What makes the Macan special isn't just the badge, it's how completely different it feels from almost every other SUV on the road. The steering is precise and communicative, the chassis feels tight and planted, and the overall driving experience is far closer to a sports sedan than a typical family crossover. From corner to corner, the Macan responds instantly, making even normal daily drives feel engaging instead of forgettable. Earlier Macan models from this generation have already taken significant depreciation, which is exactly why they become interesting in 2026. When new, these were expensive performance SUVs, but on the used market, they now offer real Porsche engineering at a far more attainable price point. Engine options from this era deliver strong, usable performance, and even the non-top trims feel sharper and more alive than most competitors. Now, let's be honest about ownership. Maintenance and consumable costs, especially tires, brakes, and suspension components, are higher than average because this SUV is built to be driven hard. But that's the trade-off for a level of driver engagement no other SUV in this segment truly matches. The interior still feels solid and purposeful in 2026, with a driving position, controls, and build quality that reflect Porsche's focus on the driver rather than gimmicks. The Macan proves something important. Buying used doesn't mean settling. It means accessing performance, engineering, and driving feel that would otherwise be out of reach. For enthusiasts who need SUV practicality but refuse to be bored, the Porsche Macan stands out as one of the most rewarding used German SUV buys available.
Number 5 is Volkswagen Tiguan 2019 to 2022, and this is where value takes center stage. The Tiguan earns the top spot not because it's flashy, but because it delivers the strongest overall value in the used German SUV market in 2026. It may not carry the prestige of a Porsche or a Mercedes, but it excels where real buyers actually live: affordability, practicality, reliability, and low ownership stress. From the moment you step inside, the Tiguan makes sense. Interior space is generous for the segment, rear seat legroom is excellent, and the available third-row seating,
while best for occasional use, adds flexibility that many competitors simply don't offer. Fuel efficiency is strong for a German SUV, making it easier to live with day after day, especially for commuters and families watching long-term costs. On the road, the driving experience is comfortable, predictable, and easy. Not sporty, not dull, just relaxed and confidence-inspiring. Now here's where the Tiguan really wins. Because it's sold in huge numbers when new, the used market in 2026 is full of well-priced examples. That means buyers have leverage, more choices, better trims, lower mileage options, and stronger negotiating power. Maintenance and repair costs are significantly lower than premium German brands, while still delivering solid build quality, modern safety tech, and infotainment that feels current. Parts availability is better, independent service options are easier to find, and long-term ownership is far less stressful. Put simply, the Tiguan is the smart decision. For families, daily commuters, and anyone who wants German engineering without luxury brand headaches, the Volkswagen Tiguan stands out as the safest, most sensible, and most financially sound used German SUV you can buy in 2026.
Before you decide on your next SUV, remember, smart buying isn't about the badge, it's about timing, value, and knowing what you're actually getting. If this breakdown helped you think long-term and avoid expensive mistakes, hit like, subscribe for honest car insights that save you money, and share this with someone shopping for an SUV. Because one good decision today can save thousands tomorrow.